Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using the Silhouette Cameo machine to make this absolutely adorable ice cream sandwich box. How cute is that? I did modify it by putting a thumb hole here so you can easily access whatever's on the inside. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to the Silhouette Studio software. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose where it says Library. This brings up all of my files. The left-hand side, I have all these folders, and I have one labeled Videos, which is where our design is, or our project is, which is right there. If I go and click on that little square, you can see it's a really cute ice cream sandwich box. It is by Karina Gardner. The design ID number is 145517. I'm going to close that out. Now to bring that image to our design area, just go ahead and double-click on it. You'll see it brings it up here. It does come in all grouped together. I'm going to right-click on it and choose Ungroup. Then separate the pieces. I believe I can get both of these brown pieces on the same mat. Bring this one down here. I'm going to right click on it and choose flip horizontally so it goes the other way. All right, so I'm going to cut both of these brown pieces out on a piece of 12 by 12 brown cardstock. Come back to the software, then move these out of my way off the mat. Then do the same for the white piece on my mat. I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose Send. Send the Cameo, cut everything out, go to the table, and put the box together. Alright, so we have our pieces cut out. I'm going to first go in and finger press on those score marks. And there's 2 score marks on each side. Now, I showed this to my husband. He got a big kick out of it. If you guys don't know, he does work for Bluebell Creameries, which is an ice cream place. This would be so much fun to put an invitation in if you're like doing like an ice cream birthday party, or even just a birthday party in general, because normally with a birthday party there's always cake and ice cream. Really cute to put an invitation in. Alright, so just, again, I'm finger pressing on this one, make sure I'm getting both of those score marks. There we go. That one's giving me some difficulty. And with the Silhouette, it creates those cut lines in the cardstock versus the Cricut has that scoring tool that has the line. So I find with these kind of files, you don't really need to go in there with a bone folder. I just do the same for the white piece. You can even put these as like treat bags as well. There we go. Okay, let's first work on this one. So we're going to go ahead and fold all these up, making sure you have that score mark showing. And we're going to put some glue on it. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. You want to try to have the glue go even and to the edges. Alright, and we're very carefully going to squish this down itself. Get it all tucked in and lined up. Isn't that cute? So fun. As I said before, I'm a huge fan of the Cameo files. A lot of them are really fun. Alright, so that part of the sandwich is done. Let's do this one. Do the same thing, just fold those flaps down. You can even change the cardstock, do like white cardstock and maybe stamp it with, or sponge it with a light brown color, and then do like dots of black and make it be like a chocolate chip graham cracker. Right, get all that in there. And just squeeze it till that glue grabs. Alright, so that one's done. So our 2 sandwiches, or our 2 graham crackers are done. Now let's take this one, So you'll see this one is the same idea, but what I'm going to do with this one is take a hole punch. I just have a 3/4 inch circle punch. I'm going to fold this in half. Is that how I did it? Yeah, fold that the first flap down, then take my circle punch, just punch a hole in it. Like that. That's going to create the thumb hole we need. So we're not going to glue this one down, we're only going to glue these two down, okay? Let's put some glue on this one. And on that one. And again, just grab that. You want to try to get it all lined up the best you can. Get that one in there. There we go. And then this one, just kind of lay it down flat. Make sure it's even on the side. Now I'm going to open up the lid, take my bone folder, the back end of it, and just go in there and give it a good squish. All right, put the glue. So now we're able to open up and close the treat box. All right, so now we're going to put some glue on the top. All right, we're going to flip it over, flip our graham cracker over. I'm going to close the lid just so I can eyeball it in the middle, in the center. And again, let that glue kind of set up. I'm going to hold it and go back in with the back end of my bone folder just to press that glue onto the brown piece. Okay, and then close the lid. All right, now we're going to do the same for the other layer. And that quickly our box is done. This would be really cute, like at a birthday party for goodie bags for the kids to take home with them. I'm going to lay it down this way to make sure I'm even with the other cracker. Again, I'm going to open it up. Take my bone folder and just press it on there so it grabs. And I think the art glitter glue is perfectly fine for this. All right, I'm going to close this up. All right, so there you have it, a super cute ice cream sandwich box. How fun is that? I do like the addition of the thumb holes. You're able to go in there and access whatever goodies are on the inside. But anyway, there you have it. Super cute. Love that. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.